Cinterion is the market leader in the M2M landscape. We have been in the business for more than 15 years. And while in the most recent past we have been doing communication modules, with the acquisition of Gemalto, we have now added SIM cards to our portfolio for the M2M industry. We have added remote personalization capabilities. We have added the security aspects that Gemalto is bringing in. And last but not least, we have added the application service delivery platform with Sensor Logic. So I think in the hardware terms we are market leader, but I further think, and much more important, we are a whole new different M2M player that is not only focusing the connectivity, but offers much more elements along the value chain, because it's our key belief that in order to unleash the potential of M2M, we have to break down the complexity. On the connotation of growth towards 50 billion devices over the next decade to come, I think the connotation of security is taking on central role now. As we're here at this conference, we have seen FCC speaking about it, we have industry experts speaking about security, and with the connotation of the cloud computing coming in, I think data privacy, data security, protection of the data is becoming a key element. And I'm very happy that with our Gemalto position there, it says security all over, security to be free, right? I think that's a key element, and we're bringing that from our mother company into M2M. I think we're very well positioned there. Well, cloud services for the M2M industry are becoming increasingly important. Number one, we have sensors and actuators in the periphery that produce an incredible amount of data. If you just compare a typical meter reading application, it will ping the meter, the transformer station, approximately every 10 to 15 seconds for 7 to 10 years to go. You figure that's a huge amount of data, so and cloud computing is perfectly situated to take care of that data. Also, we want to see applications coming where the cloud has certain software capabilities already. If you think simply about geofencing, why should every application developer reinvent geofencing when geofencing bricks are sitting there or security details are sitting there? So we want the cloud not only to be a haulage storage for data, we want to also be the repository where the whole application development community can access application bricks and as such develop easier, develop faster and develop more reliable. Now, why do we believe in Java? We're working with Java for more than 8 years, and we truly believe it's the open programming language. All the students out of university speak Java. That's the programming language of the next generation to be there. And if you saw the participation at the Oracle conference, I mean, 60,000 people on one conference engaged in Java. What more can I say? I would like to have these 60,000 developers times 10 being engaged in M2M, because there's a truckload of applications that can be done, and Java is easy to program. Java has the huge advantage that the application part is decoupled from the communication part, so it's not approval relevant. Whatever happens in the Java sandbox is not engaged with accessing the network. On the issue of 2G devices being a key part of M2M, while at the same time we have LTE coming to market, of course it creates a great strain to the industry, and I think that's where Cinterion is positioned perfectly, because it's one of our skill levels to exactly manage to bridge that situation, to keep 2G in the devices, while at the same time on the forefront of technology we're developing 4G. I think other huge players that are involved in consumer industries, they will always manage the latest state of technology, which we do, but they lack the capability of doing the historical part of the business, which is largely 2G. So the main barriers that could be there for industrial M2M growth is the fact that enterprises that have not been engaged today in connectivity, means in M2M solutions, have to be brought near to this industry. Imagine a trucking company. How much does a trucking company have to do with connectivity? Typically very little to nothing, right? So now we meet an ecosystem that is not adapt to communication, but they have large potential, because there you find the business models that M2M is perfectly located for. A trucking company will want to track its trailers, they will want to monitor their tire pressure, they will want to monitor their assets, they want to equip their drivers with PDAs to give them a safe working environment, but also tie in their work to the enterprise systems that they have. So bringing these notations to all those industries is our job and those of our competitors who's together developing this industry.